Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to come and show you a new tool set that I recently purchased on a Father's Day sale. SK 19 to 8mm 6-point box end ratcheting wrenches. Just in case you're wondering, it comes in this box. This wrench tray is actually nice. It's pretty thick. It's not one of those, you can reuse this, definitely. So, I'm gonna grab a 19mm here, bring it up close. 6-point box end. I didn't want a 12-point. Chrome on these are fantastic. I don't know if you can pick them up, but they have little teeth on the open end, just like the snap-on flank drives, to get better grip so you won't round off. These are straight, they're not angled on the box end. No switch to reverse, so you will have to flip side to side if you want to tighten or loose. I forget how many teeth there are, but it's very fine. I think they're 90 teeth. I could be wrong. But 19 to 8mm. And I think I purchased them for $30 with a Father's Day coupon from their website. So let me just show you a 19mm that I have with a gear wrench. So here's a gear wrench. This is a 12-point, okay, box end gear wrench, straight as well. The X-frames are, let me see, let me hold it this way. The X-ray frames are beefier. In the middle, you'll notice that the gear wrench are thinner. The X-frame is a little bit thicker. So, just to show you the difference. I think the SKs are going to be a little bit more than the gear wrench ones. But the SKs are made in the USA as well. So, alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.